Indigenous manufacturing has received a boost in Anambra State, where over 300 million naira worth of waste evacuation trucks and receptacles and 30 school buses were procured by the state government from an indigenous manufacturing company in the state. The waste evacuation materials will be distributed to the various local government areas in the state for effective and proper waste management, while the school buses will go to secondary schools in the state that didn't get theirs in the previous distribution.
It was a dual ceremony at Innocent Vehicles Manufacturing Factory, Newi, with the launch of over 300 million naira worth of waste evacuation trucks and receptacles and 30 school buses by the Anambra State Governor, Mr. Peter Obi. The governor said inasmuch as proper waste management in the state is important to him, the idea of procuring the waste management materials and school buses from an indigenous manufacturing company is also of utmost importance.
This is the only vehicle manufacturing facility in Nigeria. We're proud of that. And this is happening in Anambra State. And like I said before, I was part of this. It was our own conducive environment that attracted this, and we've been supporting it.
The governor made it clear that with the provision of basic necessity to achieve a clean environment, whoever defaults will be dealt according to the law.
And we'll soon start a very strict punishment for those who want Anambra State to be dirty.
The trucks and receptacles were launched, and the elected Commissioner for Environment revealed what maintaining clean environment had earned the state, while the Commissioner for Education could not hide his joy for the buses.
UNDP awarded Anambra State $4 million for being #1 in integrated waste management system in Nigeria.
Your Excellency, that you've made my principals proud. Each time we go for an outing, be it Abuja or anywhere outside the state, my principals usually stand out because their buses will be everywhere.
The governor and his entourage were taken around the facility of the manufacturing company, with the chairman of the company, Mr. Innocent Chukuma, explaining what prospects the factory holds for the state if it continues to enjoy government support. The governor reaffirms government's total support for indigenous manufacturing and called on investors to visit Anambra State and invest.